Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Alamin, a student of Daffodil International University. Currently study multimedia and creative technology, also known as MCT. Right now, I am in sixth semester, and my journey there has been full of learn and new experience. Uh, Before coming university, I complete my SSC in 2020 from Hirapur Ideal High School and College under. Later, I complete my SSC in 2022 from Chatkhil Pachgaon Government College, uh, also science. After that, I joined Daffodil International University to purpose of BC in MCT. Overall CGPA 3.18. When I joined MCT, everything feel new, but I start to journey it. I am a creative and positive person. I love learn a new things. I am very interested in game developer and design. I enjoy editing videos, 3D model. I work with those tools Photoshop and Canva Pro for graphic design, Figma for UI UX design, Autodesk Maya, Blender and 3DX Max for 3D modeling, Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects for edit video or motion graphics, Unity for game design. Every challenge I take on helps me grow, adapt, and become more confident in my creative journey. In the future, I want to make my own game in people around the world love to play. I want to keep learning, create more projects. I am Alamin at Daffodil International University. I believe dreams start when we try to learn something new. Thank you for watching.